Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. One more time. Today is 11/26/2024. As always, not financial advice, purely entertainment and/or educational purposes only. Alright, so earlier today we saw I took a little trade in the AM session. I was watching the PM session. This is a 5-second chart. Let's make this bigger so I can see a little bit easier. And I was looking at the market on close macro that started running. Did a lot of consolidation here, and so after I saw this drop, this sharp drop on a 5-second chart, and that was my clue to engage in this point in time. At least that's the way I was seeing price at the time. Saw that as a stop hunt, not a market structure shift. Once you get C time, you'll be able to figure that out. And I was looking to get in a long because I was still targeting the 10 o'clock news high of 21,000 still had not been reached. So here's the lunch sessions. I'm not going to go into all those and take any trades, but working towards the end of the day, I did jump in. I was working on a slight replacement here, but I got a not the best fill, but it is what it is. 29.75. You see the blue caret right here is where I got in, and I was targeting 21,000. Again, same as the morning session. Was looking for it to make a busy through these two first presentation fair value gaps from Monday and Tuesday. That's what these two clusterings are. We did have a nice displacement through it. I like seeing that. When price didn't displace above the top, I got a little bit aggressive on my stop, and I said, you know what? 40 points is good for a day, so I placed a stop. Took me out 10 points. In this trade, perfectly fine. Came back down to this inefficiency of this displacement, and then rallied a little bit higher than the top of the hour macros did run, and we see price did hit the 21,000 eventually. I just didn't feel like waiting another, what is that, 8 minutes for another 10 handles. So I was fine with 10. 40 on the day is perfectly happy with me. I will take that. And where we closed, right inside the macro, here's the top of the hour, here's the market close, and then the official close is right now. Market is not open. It is 17:35, so it's in between the hours. So here's where we'll open, see where the end dog is for tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So just a quick and dirty scalp. Quick trade review on that one. Little continuation on the uphill. I would have liked to have gotten this, but I didn't have my orders placed at the time. Would obviously been a little bit better for another 25 handles, but it is what it is. I grabbed where I could. Working on a slight pullback. Never did get any fair value gaps filled in here. Never had any pull-ins, so that was one spot I was shooting for. And so that was the best case that I could get there, was trying to jump on that retrace, and the market order got me in there. And I took it off there. So 2 for 2 today. We're shooting good for November. I have no idea if I'm going to take any more trades. We'll look at the market tomorrow, but I'm not going to hold it to do anything. It is, we're going into Thanksgiving here in the US, so much lower expectations for the rest of the week. Let's take a quick peek at if we have any high impact news. I think they're doing unemployment numbers early tomorrow. So we do have on the Forex calendar, yeah, so 8:30 we have high impact news tomorrow, and 10 o'clock. So we got a dual high impact news tomorrow, so 8:30 and 10. So we'll take a look, see what we see, and go from there. Remember, tomorrow's promised for none of us. Make sure you live for today. Take care, gang.